Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy. Getting right into it with today's micros market recap. It is Wednesday, August 3rd, just after the New York close here. Gold and oil have been closed for a while. Let's take a look at what happened today. Opening inside of yesterday's range, above yesterday's close here. Don't know why my drawing tool is not working. Hold on, let me move the chart down, see if it'll work now. There we go. So we opened well above the close, had a straight shot, tons of selling, a little bit of retracement at that edge, that HVA edge that was given to our students the night before. Moved down and then just consolidated, moved down, consolidated. So ton of selling pressure here. Another response at that HVA level, both long and short. And then that short just continued down. So we are closing net down for the day in oil. As far as gold goes, we opened well below the close and had a move straight up right to it. Pretty much turned around at that HVA edge that was, yes, given to our students the night before the next day's trading endeavor. And then it just sold off. Tons of participation with that news that came out and then came down, made a bottom, and then right back into its initial balance for the day, closing net down for the day. Pretty close to its open, but still below it and below yesterday's close. Now our equities, they are in white space. Those are some new contract highs that we have just made. Now in today's movement, we opened inside of the range, not too far from the close. I think about 0.5%, not even. Had some initial buying, got stuffed at that HVA edge. They finally broke through it, and they kind of meandered here for a little while before they made some new highs, and then tested those lows again at the open, and they just couldn't really break it down any further. And so if they can't go any further, where they go? Well, they go straight up. And you can see it's kind of just a grind, very choppy in these areas, but tons of response at those HVA levels, making some new highs. You can see that grind. And then just before the close of the market, tons of selling stepped in. That's kind of what happens. Some sort of buying or selling, large volume comes in and moves the market as they close their positions. So we are net up in the micro ES and in the NASDAQ. Let's see what happened. Again, similar story, but this time just pretty much straight buying at the open, penetrating well into that HVA, just not caring for it at all. And then you see it was gearing to make some new highs, and it did. Some new contract highs, came back down, had nice response around that HVA level. Again, for those of you who don't know, these levels are given out to our students the night before the next day's trading activity. There are rules and parameters based around it. They are off the market profile methodology that we teach in our rooms every day. So if you are interested in finding out more information about that and these levels, stay tuned. I'll give you the direction of how to get them. But for your information and knowledge, you can check out Pat's win-loss break-even videos based off of these levels. You can see monster winners on both the long and shorts off those levels that, yes, they were drawn the night before. And then we just melted up. Not as much of a grind in the NASDAQ, but we still saw moments of just small consolidated back and forth. And then much like the NASDAQ towards that close, we just had a drop as they sold off their last bits of contracts that they had going for them. Now, again, like I said, if you are interested in getting these levels onto your charts the night before your next day's trading endeavor, or interested in learning how to trade futures based off of our methodologies that we teach in the room, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You go find our page on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with the representative at either location. They'll show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.